Which Mughal emperor gave the Diwani right of Bengal, Bihar, and Odisha to the British? Shah Alam II, Jahangir, Aurangzeb, Shah Jahan. The correct answer is Shah Alam II. Which of the following is considered the first tribal revolt of Jharkhand region? Santhal revolt, Ho uprising, Kol uprising, Dhal revolt. The correct answer is Dhal revolt. Which two British officers were sent by the British government to suppress the revolt? Lieutenant Rooke and Cap Jacob Kamak, Lieutenant Rooke and Cap Morgan, Cleveland and Irecourt, Cap Bain and Limond. The correct answer is Lieutenant Rooke and Cap Morgan. Who was the leader of Dhal revolt? Jagannath Dhal, Chiranjit Ray, Jainath Singh, none of these. The correct answer is Jagannath Dhal. Ramgarh revolt was started under the leadership of Raja Parashnath Singh, Raja Tej Singh, Raja Mukund Singh, none of the above. The correct answer is Raja Mukund Singh. In which year Jagannath Dhal again was declared by the British as the ruler of Dhalpur? 1755, 1760, 1770, 1777. The correct answer is 1777. Tilkamaji revolt was started in 1780, 1782, 1783, 1785. The correct answer is 1783. Pahdiya tribe was settled in Rajmahal, Godda, Pakur, all of these. The correct answer is all of these. Who conducted the Chero revolt in Jharkhand region? Jagannath Dhal, Shibu Bhagat, Sidhu and Kanu, Bhukhan Singh. The correct answer is Bhukhan Singh. Tamal revolt was started in Chota Nagpur by Orao tribe, Munda tribe, Santhal tribe, none of these. The correct answer is Orao tribe. Chero revolt in Palamu was started under the leadership of Dukhan Manki, Patel Singh, Ganga Narayan, Bhukhan Singh. The correct answer is Bhukhan Singh. The Palamu East state was ruled by Shiv Prasad Singh on behalf of the minor Raja Chiranjit Rai, Shivmani Rai, Chudaman Rai, none of these. The correct answer is Chudaman Rai. Ho tribes declared war against Raja of Singhbhum, Raja of Palamu, the British, both 1 and 2. The correct answer is Raja of Singhbhum. Ho uprisings took place in Ranchi, Palamu, Singhbhum, none of the above. The correct answer is Singhbhum. Which of the following revolts is considered as the first well-organized and extensive tribal revolt of Jharkhand? Tana Bhagat, Ho uprising, Kol uprising, Santhal revolt. The correct answer is Kol uprising. Kol insurrection was started in which year? 1831 to 32, 1830 to 31, 1750 to 51, 1860 to 61. The correct answer is 1831 to 32. Which of the following regions remained unaffected during coal uprising in Jharkhand? Manbhum, Chota Nagpur Khas, Hazaribagh, Palamu. The correct answer is Hazaribagh. The main leader of coal uprising was Buddhu Bhagat, Bindrai Manki, Desai Munda, all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. Ganga Narayan led which of the following revolts in Jharkhand? Tamar, Kharwar, Bhomij, Pahadia. The correct answer is Bhomij. Who was the leader of Bhomij revolt? Ganga Narayan Singh, Sheikh Bhikhari, Birsa Munda. The correct answer is Ganga Narayan Singh. Safa Horde movement was started in 1870 under the leadership of Lal Hembrom, Tana Bhagat, Thakur Chetan Singh, Tilka Manjhi. The correct answer is Lal Hembrom. The period of Sardari movement was 1858 to 1895, 1858 to 1900, 1858 to 1890. None of the above. The correct answer is 1858 to 1895. The Santhal revolt started in which year? 1845, 1850, 1855, 1856. The correct answer is 1855. Who was the pioneer of Kharwar movement? Bhagirathi Manjhi, Bhukhand Singh, Dukhan Singh, Kanu Murmu. The correct answer is Bhagirathi Manjhi. In the Santhal revolt, the British were supported by which ruler of Jharkhand? Chero ruler, Chota Nagpur, Manbhum, Ramgarh. The correct answer is Ramgarh. Which of the following British official was not involved in suppressing the Santhal revolt in 1856? Cap Alexander, Lieutenant Thompson, Lieutenant Reid, Colonel Kamalk. The correct answer is Colonel Kamalk. Birsa Munda demanded the tribal farmers by boycott of Bet Bigari system. What was the Bet Bigari system? Forced labor, prostitution, child marriage, none of these. The correct answer is forced labor. Which one of the following revolutions not happened in Jharkhand? Santhal revolt, Birsa Munda revolt, Tilka Manjhi revolt, Mofla revolt. The correct answer is Mofla revolt. The Tana Bhagat movement was considered as a part of which movement? Coal uprising, Ho uprising, Birsa movement, Tilka movement. The correct answer is Birsa movement. When Tana Bhagat movement was started, April 1912, April 1913, April 1914, April 1915. The correct answer is April 1914. Who was the first protagonist of Tana Bhagat movement? Tilka Manjhi, Birsa Munda, Jatra Bhagat, Kanhu. The correct answer is Jatra Bhagat. In Jharkhand, Tana Bhagat rebellion occurred in 1902, 1914, 1871, 1917. The correct answer is 1914. The Chero revolt suppressed by which of the following British officers? Colonel M.S. Johns, Lieutenant Rooke, Major Crawford, both 1 and 2. The correct answer is Colonel M.S. Johns. Who launched the No Rent campaign in the Tana Bhagat movement? Chiranjit Rai, Sebu Bhagat, Jatra Bhagat, Jagannath Dev. The correct answer is Jatra Bhagat.